What's going on, guys? Julbert Abraham here. I am back, and today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. You might see I'm in a different screen right now. So I've been getting a lot of requests from all the people that have been watching our content on how do you actually build some of these funnels, these automations, and so forth. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna use ChatGPT and GoHighLevel vibe coding to build a funnel within the next 10 minutes. All right. So I'm going to pick an industry, I'm going to build it out, and I want y'all to see the process so then you too can do the same thing. And if you like this type of video, like, share, comment. Also, what I want you to do is let me know if you want me to do more of these type of content, right? So let's dive in. All right. So first of all, I'm going to choose one of the popular videos is credit repair. So I'm in ChatGPT. I'm gonna say one thing I noticed a lot of people don't do is they don't ask AI how to actually prompt things, right? If you do that, it puts you in a really good position. So what I'm gonna do is put create a prompt that I can use on for vibe coding on a platform like Lovable or High Level to build out a funnel, a client acquisition funnel for a credit repair company business that wants to automate their client acquisition process while providing a unique experience that will draw in more clients and allow them to be efficient. All right. So I'm asking GPT to actually build out the prompt for me here. So let's see what comes up. All right, so if you look at what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go back up to really go through this with you guys so you know exactly what you're seeing and what the system will allow you to do, right? And I can do a reiteration of it, right? So I put this prompt in and look what happened. This is where you can separate yourself from 95% of credit repair company that all look the same, right? Generic landing page to boring consultation call. You want a funnel that feels personalized, fast, and this was built just for me, right? So to do that, we give this the high level prompt for vibe coding, right? So build a high converting, fully automated client acquisition funnel, credit repair business that creates a personalized interactive experience for each lead while maximizing conversion rates, right? So that's the first thing about the funnel. It's going to attract the people. It's going to educate them. It's going to show them a clear path. It's going to convert them into paying clients, right? It's going to automate follow-up, onboarding, and nurturing. Core strategy here, it should feel like a credit clarity experience, not a sales funnel. Get a free AI credit snapshot plus 3 credit repair step repair plan. That right there is huge. All right. Because then let's look at the structure, personalized benefit, right? Get my credit plan. Okay. Create a dynamic quiz. This is very valuable. So we're going to have a quiz that they can go through that breaks things down. Have different resort page, right? Your credit health, then introduce offers, right? So this really break things down for them and we're gonna vibe code this whole thing. That's the crazy part. So with that said, I'm gonna literally take this and copy and paste it on high level. Boom. Gonna highlight this whole thing. All right. Before I do that, one thing, build the exact landing page copy, write the quiz question plus logic. All right, so we're gonna add on here. Let's add the quiz questions plus logic behind it and make sure the landing page copy tap into the emotional connection of the potential buyer. So I'm going to put this as refine, letting GPT know I want them to refine the prompt a little bit. So now it's a little bit deeper. So I refine it. Boom. I'm going to take this information and then I'm going to plug it into the vibe coding on high level, which is the biggest part that a lot of people don't show you. All right. This is where the magic happened. So let's grab this all the way down. All right. Boom. Still writing. It's not done yet. So we're going a little bit crazy here. All right, grab that. All right, so I'm on high level right now. I'm gonna go here where it says AI Studio, right here. It's the vibe coding section. And then I'm gonna just paste this here. This is the vibe coding. And then I'm gonna go search. All right. So now it does its magic. It was actually looking into what went wrong by building a power client acquisition funnel for credit. So it's building it out for us. As you can see, it's setting up the design, building a landing page, and add the quiz. So it's doing all that for you. So that's what vibe coding is. And you're able to do this with high level. So if you want to take advantage of high level, I have a free 30-day trial link in the bottom. Grab that, click on it, start using this tool because you can build how many funnels for your business. You can really build out your business by just vibe coding. That's the crazy part, right? Where the AI is building this whole thing out for you. All right. So as you can see, it's happening in real time. It's building the landing page. I already set up the design and system. So, and the SEO metadata, the registration, all that is already set up. Now it's building out the landing page and emotional hooks, right? Then it's gonna add the quizzes. So it's building things out as we do this, you know? So I really wanted to share that to show you guys the power of this and how you can use this for your business. It doesn't really matter what business you have. It matters to really identify, what's the strategy here and how can you leverage this platform to help you reach your goal. So I think if you're thinking about using high level or you were looking for a platform that can really help you, this is it, right? So I wanted to kind of show you the back end. I know I talk a lot of strategy and kind of share, ideas on how to do things, but a lot of people been asking, hey, can you actually show us? So I figure why not show you a little bit different by using vibe coding as the strategy, right? And then we can always tweak it, add your logo to it, make it feel more personal. We can do all that, right? So first, let's see what we get. And then from that point, we're going to use what we get to just improve it, right? There we go. It's starting to get things set up. I built a complete AI-powered credit repair model. Here's what's included, right? The design use, okay, systematic, boom. Okay, there we go. So here it is. Let's go to look at the preview. As you guys can see here, it's called credit path, right? You're not bad with money. Your credit just hasn't been fixed yet. Find out what's hurting your credit, what's fixable. See the copy, how emotionally connected it is, right? And then get my free credit plan. Boom, they can literally take this quiz, right? And okay, what's your credit right now? All right, so let's go for this one. What's been the biggest affecting your credit? Boom, late payment. See how it's you're filling it out. So imagine you have a customer, potential customer come to this. Now for anything recently, yes, what's your main goal right now? Get funding, right? How soon do you want to improve your credit? In the next 60 days. You're fixing your credit on your own, not confident at all. I'm gonna put J Julbert, and this is testing, right? Testing. And I'm gonna put one of my email addresses, gonna put one of my numbers. All right, and then show my results. Boom, there we go. This right there make a big difference because it gives them a credit analysis to see where they're at. It's telling them about the issue that they're having, it giving them reason on how they can improve it, and they can buy from right here. They can literally buy right here the different packages that you have. They could get the guide plan, they can do the consultation, so this funnel can actually makes you money, which is huge. All right. So think about how you can use that. You're not only getting leads, you have automation in the back end, but also now you have a funnel that can drive business. All right. So I showed you the back end, and I go back to show you the front end, right? If you've been denied, what you'll get. So it literally is a simple funnel. We did all this in less than 10 minutes. So if you like that type of content, you want to see more than that. And because you have high level, you can connect it to your CRM. So they'll go directly in your CRM after they fill this out. You know, this right here is a game changer if you're in the credit repair business and you want something that can work for you really quickly. This is it, guys. So check it out. Like, comment, share. Let me know if you like this type of content. Let me know if you want to see more of this. And thank you again for jumping on. Thank you for checking this out. I can't wait to see you in our next video. Cheers.